Did you know you can instantly swap tens of thousands of different crypto pairings directly in your Trust wallet? Here's exactly how to do it. There are two ways to access the swap page, either directly on the Trust Wallet tab up here, or on the token page by clicking on the token, then swap, and then trade. With some swaps, you may need to approve the token you are aiming to swap first. For example, this TWT here. If this box pops up, all you need to do is click Approve. This will execute the smart contract, and once approved, you'll be ready to swap your token. This should take no longer than a few seconds. Here, I'm swapping my smart chain BNB for USDT. Just enter the amount you'd like to swap. The amount you receive and the swap ratio will be visible before you complete the transaction. Tap the Swap button, followed by the Confirm button after checking the details are correct. You'll get a swap pop-up appear. Here, you'll have the chance to check the transaction details on BSC scan. A secondary pop-up will appear when your swap has completed. And that's it! Trust Wallet is the perfect place to store all of your crypto and NFTs, explore the world of DeFi and stake your favourite crypto, connect to the world of dApps, instantly exchange and buy crypto, and check charts and prices, all at your fingertips.